Okay, guys. This is me again. So yeah. I'm gonna take this out today. I'm not sure how much CO2 it has left in it, but yeah. This may be a very short video. So yeah. My dogs. Like I said, I stay in a hotel in that area, so I mean, I don't matter. It doesn't matter to me what you guys say, but yeah. So as you guys can see, it got pretty cold out. It started snowing. So yeah. I decided to mount this on my mask. I got it strapped around me right now around the mask. I'm trying to figure out other ways to put it on, but yeah, it's about 17 degrees out today, December 12th. Pretty cold out. Like I said, I'm from Texas. I've only been up here for 5 years. So, I mean, I'm still not used to the cold. I still hate it. But, holy shit, it's still cold. But, yeah, I just filled my hopper up. But I don't think I'm going to be using the whole thing. So, yeah, it may be windy. If it's windy, I may put music. I don't know. I know you guys love hearing my sexy voice, so I don't know. I hope it would help sleep through the month. Okay, so we're not sure, but very windy, very cold, winds, fucking freezing. It's so cold. I don't even think I'm gonna shit. And I'm sticking to indoor now. Whoa, shit! Should put my gloves on. It's fucking cold. Oh shit, it's fucking cold. But yeah, I already know what I'm getting for Christmas, so yeah, I'm getting me a Ninja tank, 6845 carbon fiber one. I'm getting me a new pack, what's it, plenty clips, 4 plus 5, I think it is. Not sure, but yeah, and then fucking cold. So yeah, so I'm getting those, and since my last packet, one of the pod holders had busted when I was playing, it caught on something and it ripped. So yeah. So yeah, I don't know. I have no idea what to talk about. I got home from school, walked the dogs, thinking about making a video yesterday, but it was 7 degrees. It's 17 now. I thought it'd be better today. Alright, yeah. Actually, there's these woods over here. Well, not much woods. Just little sticks. I want to walk back here and see what they got. See what's back here I could find and use. I never really looked back here. Ow. Ow. I got sticks sticking up my asshole now. Ow. Ah! I don't know if that hits the camera or not, but I'll find out when I watch. Yeah, I'm sort of I'm trying to hit that tree. Well, I actually have more CO2 than I thought I would have, but I don't know, I may have to go bullseye. But yeah. Oh, I'm also getting new hoppers, so I don't gotta shake this damn thing. Well, I am out of paint. Oh, that surprises me. Ow. Shit. Oh, man. Okay. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video, because it's too fucking cold for me to even go back and grab more paint and come back out. It's too damn cold for that. So yeah, if you haven't already, please, oh man, I gotta find the button. The thing about it, when I got it mounted on the camera, I can't really find the button and know if it's off or stop recording or not. That's why I had to ran to the bathroom, but turned on the recording. And so yeah, oh shit, damn. Yeah, if you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe, and I also want to give out shout outs to a couple of guys. I watch their videos. They're good guys. Watch them. Hustle Paintball. I love them guys. They're pretty cool guys. Yeah, and Tech PB, watch him a lot. I got my tips training that from him, so go watch him as well. Yeah, I'll put a link to their YouTube channels. Holy shit, my finger's freezing. To their YouTube channels in the description or on the screen below, somewhere down there. I don't know, but yeah, have fun, guys. I sure will. Oh, I can't find the button. My fingers are frozen. Oh shit. I think that's the button now. Okay. Well, my fingers are numb. I can't do this. I can't do this, guys. Oh my god, I can't find the damn button. Okay. I'm gonna have to take my mask off. Okay, hold on. Oh, my fingers are frozen. Oh. Gotta stick my barrel in the snow. I told you it's fucking cold, guys. Oh shit, there it is. Okay, guys, well, have fun.